Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a page for your business on Facebook. If you are on the Facebook app on your phone or you are on a computer, the procedure is almost the same. So on a phone, you come to your right-hand corner. You will see your name. So when you click on your profile picture, you will see a list of items that will show. Here on the computer, you click on this square. Then when you scroll down, you see pages. It's the same thing you see on the phone. And then on the computer too, either you come here and click on the pages, or here you will see it. So whichever one you click, it is going to take you to where to create a page. So you click on, you see create new profile or page. So when you click on create new profile or page, you will see you'll be asked to either create a profile or a public page. A profile is like a Facebook account. So that is not what we're looking for. We are looking at how to create a page for a business. So you come here and then click on public page. You click on next. You click on get started. So you'll be asked to put the name of the page, the name you want to use for the page here. So I'm pasting the name. I've put it there. Then you will come here and then you'll be asked to put a category. So the category of this one is health. Or travel. So let me make it travel. Let me put a short description here. Then after that, don't put all your writing in capital letters because you will have problem with Facebook on that. But you can start with capital letters and the rest will be small letters. So you come and then click on create page. So you click on, so here you're supposed to put your website if you have any. Then here you put your number for your country. You put your address, in the street address, and put a town or the city and the postcode. For Ghana, we don't have postcode, so I'm just putting the country code. Then you choose the hours of work. So we just put the hours we work. We are always open. You can also choose open as selected hours, and then no hours available. So for now, I'm choosing always open. Then we click on next. Let me just add a profile picture. Then if you have a cover photo, you can subsequently add one. For now, I don't have a cover photo. So I'm just skipping and then moving to the next one. They may ask you to add an action button. So with the action button, you click on, you can choose any one that fits what you want. If you want a WhatsApp message, then you need a WhatsApp business number. So for now, I'm choosing Messenger. So I'll choose Messenger. Messenger, I don't need a WhatsApp number. So just click on next. So you see the address and the type of company shown, the address, then the phone number. Then if you want to connect WhatsApp to your page, you come and choose your country code and add the number. They will send a code to your phone, then you connect. For now, I'm skipping that step. Then from there, you can now invite your friends to come and then like your page so that I can have a few followers for the page. So that one has been done. If you refresh it, or if you come and click on the home button and go to pages, you see the page is showing there. Now you can switch on to it and even do more settings. If you want to post on anything on the page, you come and click on post, photo or video, and then it takes you to the gallery if you're on a phone, or to whichever folder you want to take the pictures from a computer, and then after that you can post it. For now, I just don't want to post anything for now. But if you want to post, you can follow that step and then post. You can also come, if you want to do further changes, you can come to the settings. If you come to settings, then click on leave. It takes you to the setting When you come here, you can connect to Instagram by clicking on linked accounts, and then you can come to page setup. Under page setup, if you want to change the name, if you want to invite people to be an administrator, you can do all those settings there. Okay. Yeah, so this is exactly how you can create a Facebook page. Now, if you want to do a Facebook ad campaign, I have done several videos on how to set up ad campaigns. You can check in the description of this video. You can also contact us for excellent services in digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, and web development. That is what we do. So if you contact us, I will leave a WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description. You can contact me. Also, let me know if you're able to follow this and create a page on Facebook. And leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.